So hello guys, welcome back to Wheel of Market. So in this video I will explain you how you can humanize content written by AI like ChatGPT in a way that no AI detector can detect it. Means the AI detection score will be 0 or less than 20%. So watch this video till end to find the trick. So let's start this video. So as you can see, this is an article which is written by ChatGPT, and I am going to check the AI score of this article. I haven't done any edits in this article, and the AI detection tool that I am using here is GPT-0. So let's check it, check origin. As you can see this, the GPT-0 tool said that it is 100% generated by AI and the human written score is 0%. Now I will explain the method which I use to convert these articles which is written by ChatGPT into pure human written articles. Means I will humanize it. So watch this video till end and don't skip. So first of all, you have to copy the article which you have generated from AI. From ChatGPT you can go and copy the article. I have copied the article here, and I'm going to Gemini is a Google AI tool, so you have to go to Gemini. It is available on google.com. Gemini. Okay, you can go there and you have to paste your article here. Okay, and after that you have to write and command to tell the Gemini AI to rewrite this article in a way that it is updated by all the latest information. Okay, after that you have to click on the command, and then the this AI will generate a new article for you which is purely updated by latest information. So after that you have to go and copy this article. Okay, you have to go and copy this article which is generated by Gemini, and then you have to go to this website which is SEO magnifier. Okay, you have to go to this website SEOmagnifier.com, and there you have to go to word changer, that is /word changer, and here you have to paste the article which you have generated from Gemini. Okay, and after pasting your article you have to just remove this numerics. So after removing the numerics, you have to go and select your language. I will select English, and then you have to click on reword now. So basically this tool replaces the hard word which is used by this our AI which is Gemini, and replace it with simpler words which are easily understandable, and this also changes the AI detection of this article. Okay, now click on finish. So now we have to copy this article which is being modified by this tool, and let's copy this article, and let's go back to the GPT-0 tool, and we will check the AI detection score now. So I will paste the article which I have copied from that website which is SEO magnifier, and I will click on check origin, and now you can see the AI detection score. So you can see the AI detection score is only 23%, means it is 74% human written article. So this way you can convert your AI written content into pure human written content. So this was a trick which I use, and you can also use if you are a university student. So that's all for this video. If you got some knowledge, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because it really motivates me to make more videos like this which help people in